Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI, and I just wanted to show you guys these really cute bracelets that I just got for my mom from UNY. These are the perfect balance between sparkly and classy all at the same time. We really love these little pave crystals that are in the center, which I think really makes the bracelet pop. And then it's surrounded by metal with this rope-like design, almost giving this bracelet a vintage look. As you can see, they come in either silver or gold, and I think they are both equally as beautiful. They come in a standard size of 7.5 inches long, and we really like the fact that it has a wider band. And it's a pretty unique band as well. It's made out of a cable wire mesh type material, so it's nice and flexible and it's breathable, which makes it comfortable to wear all day long, especially on these hot summer days. It has a magnetic hinge, so it's really easy to put this bracelet on and to take it off. And we've had these bracelets for almost a month now, and we have been very impressed with how strong this magnet has been. We've never had to worry about the bracelet just falling off by itself. And these bracelets go well with any type of outfit, whether it be an everyday casual look to a more dressed up look. And we've been very satisfied with the fact that it hasn't tarnished. They seem like they're made out of a really high quality material because these bracelets definitely have some weight to them. My mom says these bracelets have the perfect amount of bling to them to where it elevates her attire without it being overly flashy. Plus, these would make a really cute gift for any special girl in your life. And that's my point of view.